Hey, what's going on YouTube? Tap back with another video, and today I'm gonna talk about things I wish I knew before I started blogging. I've been blogging for a solid, right now, 2 whole months solid, and I learned a lot of things on the way. And the first thing I wish I knew before blogging is when I went to Bluehost, which I suggest you a Bluehost, and got my domain name, and I hit that one-click install WordPress. I wish I would have started blogging from day one. I had this blog, thexking.com, over a year now, about a year, and did nothing with it. I just posted. If you know my story, all I did was post my YouTube videos on my blog. I didn't write no content. I didn't write no articles on there. That's straight YouTube, and that does not work nowadays. It does not work. Yeah, it gave me a little traffic to my blog, maybe 30, 40 visitors per month. Not even that, maybe 10 visitors, 2-3 visitors a day. Did not a lot of traffic. So I wish I would have, from the beginning, wrote articles. That's one. Number two is to pick a blogging frequency. How many times a week am I gonna write a blog post? Now, for everybody, it's different. Mine is every other day. So it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. They go back to Monday. So every other day, the blog gets a new post. If you can't do every day, do twice a week, do once a week, but pick a blogging frequency, okay? So I wish I would learn that in the beginning. The next thing that I wish I knew before I started blogging is that it's gonna take a long time for your blog post to get ranked, okay? So it's a patient game, and it's a long-term game. It's not like paid traffic where it's instant, or like oatmeal, you put a little water up in the microwave, it's instant. It takes months. You know, I heard 35 weeks, I heard 30 weeks for your post to even get ranked. So keep that in mind. When you start a blog, give it a good year. If you start doing 2 blog posts a week and you blog regularly every other day, it's gonna take time to get a lot of traffic. So give yourself a year. So keep the mindset, 1 year from now, this blog, or 9 months to a year, this blog is gonna make it. So patience is a virtue of blogging. I ain't nothing about that, but virtue. The third thing I wish I knew, how to monetize a blog. That's a real key, hard one to figure out. When you start a blog, you don't know how to make money from it. So make sure you do some homework before you start blogging. Okay, when you start a blog, what is your short-term game? What is your long-term game? How you make money from the blog? Make sure you pick a niche that is conducive with a lot of affiliate products. So I did a bowling blog a couple years ago, and I started a new one recently. I'm gonna get back into it, but with the bowling blog, that's kind of hard to do affiliate products with that. All I could do is bowling balls, shoes, bags, bowling equipment, maybe some bowling shirts, and that's it. There's nothing really I can promote other than bowling stuff. I can't really promote no program they can join and I can make money with leads, or a software I can promote, or a piece of equipment, because there's so many different types of bowling balls out there that, you know, I might refer somebody to this bowling ball, but they got like 400 bowling balls out there in the world. So it's a hard niche to get into, but make sure whatever niche you in has some good affiliate programs, and it's on Amazon, has plenty of stuff you can blog about. So pick a niche that's profitable, that you know a lot about, and you make money from, because eventually you want to make money from it. Give you a little inside story. You know, the bowling is very hard to monetize. It's really hard to monetize the bowling. Granted, other people might say, oh, it's a good opportunity. For me, it's kind of hard. You know what I'm saying? It's really hard. So make sure you pick a niche that works and make some money from. Okay, so take the blog seriously. Timestamp your work. Find a frequency. Blog immediately. Okay, and sometimes when you blog, the more you blog, the better you become. That's one thing I learned about the blogging. Now I'm starting to add images. I'm starting to write 3 or 4 lines and hit enter and give it a little space. I used to write big chunks of content. Now I'm kind of shortening it up. It's like the more you write content, the more you blog, the better you become. So that's another thing I'm learning as well. So the more I'm blogging, the more I get better at writing, the more I become. And then the more I blog, the more, blogging is kind of nice because it's kind of like your thoughts, what you think on screen. So you can write your opinions on stuff. You can write how you feel about stuff. And you can pretty much put yourself in somebody else's shoes that needs help. That's been learning a lot. I've been learning a lot about helping people and writing about how I feel about stuff, writing about my experiences, what I messed up on, so the next person won't mess up on. And that feels good to me. So that's what I've been learning so far about blogging. More to come. But right now, that's what I've learned so far. Just when you start a blog immediately. Don't wait 4 months for a blog post. Pick your frequency. It don't matter, once a week, twice a week. And right now, I'm starting new blogs now. And my mindset right now, okay, how many times a week can I blog on this blog? Once a week. Okay, what products can I promote? How can I monetize this blog? Can this blog monetize with ads, affiliate programs, email marketing, Amazon products? What can I promote to my people come to my blog, make money from it? Okay, yeah, figure that out. Okay, can I write content right now and have, a month worth of content I gotta worry about? All that stuff. So who's looking for my content? Is it too saturated? Can I niche it down some to target certain people? All these things I'll ask myself before I start a new blog. And now I've gone through the roller coaster. I went through the roller coaster one time. Now you know what to expect. You know what I'm saying? So, this is why I learned. And another thing I learned, that since it takes so long for Google to rank your blog post, don't sit there and wait for it to rank. Do something else. I've written a blog post about this and did a video about this. Make sure that you're doing YouTube videos. Make sure that if you have 2 months worth of blog posts, you could chill for a month. Start you another blog. Start another blog. A domain name is only $12 to $15 for a year. You already have hosting. Hopefully you get the middle package that you have unlimited websites. Find out a domain, find an interest, and start writing more blog posts. Start another blog. And have that blog, because a year from now, you'll start getting some traffic. Okay, so start another blog, do YouTube videos, try to build your list. Okay, build your brand, get your image of your brand to your site. Start promoting it. So don't sit there. I don't sit there and wait for Google to rank me. I go ahead and do other things instead. Okay, so this is my video. Things that which I've been known blogging, I'm still learning. So I'm gonna leave with this: the more you do something in life, the better you become. When I first started blogging, I was trash at it. I wasn't good. But the more I write blog posts and the more I do things, the better I become. You know what I'm saying? So the better I've gotten. So that's it. The more you do it, the better you get. Okay, so this is my video. Visit my blog, askking.com. If you like the video, please like it. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up and comment below. What are your thoughts on it? How long have you been blogging? Have you seen success? Let me know your thoughts. Chime down below. Thanks for watching.